how to divide page in Notion and create columns. So all you have to do is to simply go to any space on your template and then type slash. And then let's just say you wanted to add something right here. Okay, so for example, task one and task two. Now, what you're going to do to move or divide this is to tap this three dots and then simply move it to the right till you see a vertical bar symbol. So let me find the vertical bar symbol right here. Okay, move it here. And that's it. So you have created two columns here, and that's how you simply divide page in Notion and create columns. Now you can add something here, like if you have added or if you have a divide or create columns, then you can add something like if you want to add or type or add another database below, then you can do that. It's totally separated. You can adjust. Okay, so let me move it up, and this is it. So you can add more databases, you can create something different to this column and to the other column. So basically, that's how you simply divide page in Notion and create columns. You can create up to 5 columns if you wanted to. You can also drag it to the right, to the left. You can adjust the column here. It depends on how you use this and what databases you add below these columns. If you found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.